Let's see who is monitoring your iPhone location right now. Grab your phone. In the top left where you see the time, you'll also see a little arrow if something's using your location. Because I'm recording this, it disappeared. But if I swipe from the top right to the bottom left and go to my control center, you'll see at the top, I can click on System and System Services. And it's going to tell me right now that System Services is using my location. My question is, why? Why are they using that? So I'm going to scroll out of here. I'm going to click on Settings. And then from here, I'm going to go down to Privacy and Security. From here, I want to click on Location Services. And I want to scroll all the way to the bottom. And this will take me to System Services right here. And as you can see, compass calibration, find my iPhone, location-based suggestions. These are all using my location on a regular basis. Not sure if I like that. If I don't, I can just turn one off. But note, it can affect your maps. If I click on significant locations here, I recommend that you also turn this off so it doesn't know where you've been.